At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting an oil and gas company can be a complex endeavor due to the highly regulated and capital-intensive nature of the industry. Here are some general steps to guide you. 1. Market research and feasibility study. Conduct thorough research on the oil and gas industry, including market trends, competitors, and potential opportunities. Assess the feasibility of your business idea, considering factors such as location, available resources, and market demand. 2. Develop a business plan. Outline your business goals, target market, products or services, marketing strategy, operational plan, and financial projections. Include details on how you will obtain financing, manage risks, and comply with regulations. 3. Legal structure and registration. Choose a suitable legal structure for your company, such as a sole proprietorship, partnership, corporation, or LLC. Register your business with the appropriate government authorities and obtain any necessary permits or licenses. 4. Secure financing. Determine the initial capital required to start and operate your oil and gas company. Explore financing options such as loans, investors, venture capital, or government grants. 5. Acquire leases or rights. Identify potential oil and gas reserves and secure the rights to explore and develop them. Negotiate leases or agreements with landowners, government agencies, or other stakeholders. 6. Develop infrastructure. Invest in the necessary infrastructure for exploration, drilling, production, and transportation. This may include drilling rigs, pipelines, storage facilities, and transportation vehicles. 7. Comply with regulations. Ensure compliance with all relevant laws and regulations, including environmental, safety, and labor regulations. Obtain permits and approvals from regulatory agencies before conducting any operations. 8. Hire and train personnel. Recruit skilled professionals with expertise in geology, engineering, operations, finance, and other relevant fields. Provide training and ongoing education to ensure safety and operational efficiency. 9. Implement safety measures. Develop and implement comprehensive safety protocols to protect workers, the environment, and surrounding communities. Regularly conduct safety inspections and audits to identify and address potential hazards. 10. Market your products or services. Develop a marketing strategy to attract customers and investors. Build relationships with potential buyers, partners, and stakeholders through networking, industry events, and targeted marketing campaigns. 11. Monitor performance and adapt. Continuously monitor your company's performance against established goals and benchmarks. Adapt your strategies and operations as needed to respond to changes in the market, technology, or regulatory environment. Starting an oil and gas company requires careful planning, significant investment, and a thorough understanding of the industry's complexities. Seek advice from industry experts, consultants, and legal professionals to increase your chances of success. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.